going on, guys? It's Andre and David at Import Battle. So, what do we have today, bro?
Man, we got a nice lip kit installation for the 2017 Subaru STI. So, we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. It's nothing fancy, but it's definitely gonna give the car a complete different look from the front end.
All right, so we're gonna walk you through the installation process, and
hopefully you'll enjoy the product when it's finished. So what we got here is just a basic lip, polyurethane lip off of eBay. And you're gonna see what's inside the box and how it's packaged, all that good stuff. Looks good, not bent, packaged great.
comes with all the hardware.
Hardware at the bottom.
Boom. All right.
No instructions? I don't know how to see instructions. So we're gonna go ahead and test fit this and get it installed. Okay, so with the included instructions, it says clean all areas using simply whatever.
Remember, guys, safety first. Alright guys, so this lip actually has 2 holes on each side that line up perfectly with these 2 clips under here. So what we're gonna do is pop out these clips, put them in on both sides, and from there we can contour it to make it fit the bumpers. We were gonna use the original clips, but they actually didn't fit through the hole, so we used aftermarket clips that came with it. Totally recommended. All we have to do is drill in a few screws. They're already drilled out, so should be a piece of cake. And you guys will see the finished product. Alright guys, so we hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
If you have any comments, leave them in the section down below. Stay tuned for some more videos, and definitely check out importbattle.com. We're out.